Okay, so today we're going to compare about digital gold and physical gold. In next video, we will talk about the ETFs and the sovereign gold bonds, which is called SGB. In this video, we only going to compare the physical gold and the digital golds. Physical gold. If you buy physical gold in the form of jewelries like earrings, chain, or anything else, it you have to think about your investment. I think it is not good for the investment. And if you buy in the form of bullions, it is good in the form of investment. I show you why. Bullion, it is the purest form of gold with a 99.99% of purity or 24 karat gold. It comes in the form of coin, bars, and bricks. So we're going to compare jewelry and the bullions. The cost, let's assume the cost of 10 gram gold is 80,000 rupees. Now we're going to add making charges, which is approx 10 to 25 percentage for the jewelries and 0 to 5% for the bullions. So we assume 50 percentage for the jewelry and 5% for the bullions. So total would be around 92,000 for the jewelry, and for the bullions it will be around 84,000. And here comes to the GST. GST would be around 3 percentage for the both of the items. After the tax, it will be around 94,760 rupees for the jewelries and 86,520 rupees for the bullions. Okay. Digital gold bought online with a minimum investment of 1 rupee. Okay, you can buy digital gold with the 1 rupee also. I have shown you the examples here. Okay, you can buy the digital gold with 1 rupee. Digital golds are issued by these three companies, or you can buy digital gold from anywhere like in Google Pay, Phone Pay, or in Amazon Pay also. You can apply for the digital gold and you will able to buy, and the minimum investment is required is 1 rupee. You can buy the gold for 1 rupee. And digital gold is like a gold which is not physically present in your hand. Digital gold advantages. Okay, it has the higher liquidity. It comes with uh, theft proof. Theft proof, it is this, like your gold is not present in your hand, so you don't need to worry about the theft or anything else, and you don't need to pay any locker charges because you don't have physical gold in your hand. And next to go with the liquidity, it has higher liquidity because most of the people buying the gold and selling the gold, so liquid, there's no tension for liquidity. You can buy it anytime, sell it anytime. It's your choice. And you can take the physical delivery of the gold. Like if you bought 0 0.5 grams to 1 gram or extra, uh, you can take a physical delivery of your gold, which charges around 1 to 2%. I think this might be charging 1 to 2% for delivery, but exactly I don't know. But there is a option that you can apply for your physical delivery of your gold. Now comes to the disadvantage. Selling price. There is a difference in selling price. Let's take an example. Like you bought gold for 100 rupees today, and if you want to sell your gold today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, you will get only 97 rupees because in 100 rupees you paid 3% of GST, which is around 3 rupees. You will not get your GST back, so it will be around 97 rupees. You can sell at higher only when the price of the gold increases. Like if the price of the gold goes to 110, 12, then you will get your profit of 112 rupees, 13 rupees. It is only the way you can get the profit. And second is the delivery charges. Like most of the cases they will charge 1 to 2%. This is not exactly because it is not mentioned in anywhere. But most of the times you will find 1 to 2% of charges in delivery. Okay, comparing physical gold and digital gold cost, the cost would be same, 80,000, 80,000. Making charges, jewelries 10 to 25 percentage. If you buy bullions, it would be around 0 to 5 percentage. And digital gold, there will be no, there will be no making charges. And for the digital gold, there will be no making charges because the gold is not physically present in your hand. Okay, now comes to the GST. 3% GST apply for the both of the items. And locker rent. Here comes the catch. If you buy physical gold, you have to keep in your home. So there will be an issue for theft. And if you keep in the locker, you have to pay locker charges annually. So there will be additional expenses for the physical gold. But there is disadvantages of digital gold also, because this company is not registered properly, so there will be a issue for getting a gold or not, and there will be issue for the selling price. There is a disadvantages for the digital gold. I have shown difference in selling price. If you bought gold for 100 rupees today, if you bought digital gold for 100 rupees today, you cannot sell at the same price because you have paid 3% of GST, which will be deducted from your amount, which is around 97 total. You bought gold for rupees 97, and if you sell today, you will get only 97 rupees. You will not get total 100 rupees. So you have to wait for the long period to increase the price of the gold. So there is a catch, and there is a delivery issue also. You have to pay 1 to 2% of tax. I mean 1 to 2% of charges for delivery.